Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today is 28th October 2025. We are loading our belt type storage silo to India. This silo with an length 5 meters, width 1.2 meters, and height 2.5 meters. This storage silo with an 10 cubic meters tank and discharge belt conveyor. This type of storage silo is very suitable for light density material. For example, like paddy straw, like a cotton straw, wheat straw, corn straw, or all kinds of agriculture material. And this advantage of this belt type storage silo is no blockage and even transportation. And this belt type storage silo usually works before hammer mill. So it can storage the large pieces of straw material. Okay, everyone. If you have any interest in Longze belt type storage silo, please send your inquiry to our team. Thanks for watching today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.